Everybody, how's it going? Daniel here. Today we are taking a look at the iPhone 12 in the black color. So you can see the box there, iPhone in black, the black iPhone right here with the wallpaper, 64 gigabyte version. That is what you get as the starting base price. But let's go ahead here and check it out, I guess. You can kind of see it there. Looks very nice. Let's go ahead and lift it up. Definitely a pure deep black. So this is gonna look really cool with skins and stuff. Look at those sides. Holy cow, that looks good. Look at this. Look at that. Just completely nicely matted out aluminum. That looks incredible. Boy, I would kill for those sides on the Pro. I really think they look so much cleaner and nicer than these right here. Look at that. These do still quite look nice. They have that special look, but it doesn't look anywhere near as sleek as the 11 sides. I do like the back of the 11 Pro significantly more just because it has that matte finish. I don't like how sticky my hands get and how the back of my hands stick to the glass. Ever since they introduced this back, I can't leave it. I really like it. I like it enough to compensate for the fact that it has the sides that I don't like. Let's go ahead and remove here this protector. Remove the screen. Of course, you're not going to be able to see anything around it because it's all matted out, so no distractions here, any reflections from the like you get with the stainless steel or anything. So if you look at this phone straight on, you can kind of see the reflections there on the stainless steel. Well, you can't see them on the aluminum. Now in the box, we are just going to get the USB-C to Lightning, no power brick, but we do get an Apple sticker and a little SIM jack tool, and that's what you get in this box right here. Definitely different to previous years. So if you do want a fast charge, you do have to get a charging block like this one right here, which is what we got with the 11 Pro last year. I really think Apple should have just included that for one more year and then said that they were going to phase that out next year. But, you know, oh well, it happens. Now let's take a closer look here at this bag so you can see that there. Of course, it's all glossy. It is going to attract a lot of fingerprints, so if you don't have a case on this, prepare to clean it often. But of course, it's glass, so you can just wipe it real quick and it's going to clean. Let's see how it looks with some of these cases. This is an Aramid fiber case. Boy, does that look good. That matte finish on the lenses looks really nice. The matte finish on the sides here on the aluminum looks very nice. This case definitely shines here with this device a lot more than it does with my Graphite Pro. And let's go ahead and check another one out here. This is what I would never do, but worth showing anyway. This is a clear case with black. Not a fan. It just doesn't really take the strengths of the device. Definitely I would go with something like this, but I don't have one. This would look incredible with this. A lot of people go for that like leather brown look, which we can do here. That does look real good. Again, the color just looks really great because we do have those matte finishes showing through on the case, and it hides all the glossiness, which is what I don't like. Here, I think this one will look kind of neat looking. I don't know, there's something about this case that I quite like that I keep going back to checking out. It just looks interesting for sure. And I think it actually looks a little bit better on the graphite than on this one. And this one has some white accents. Let's see how this looks. Almost not bad, but eh. And last but not least here, let's do this one right here. And that one looks really cool because you still get to see the little Apple logo there. The case is matted out, the phone is matted out right here, and everything's matted out. Something like this looks really, really great. This one I do really, really like by the folks over at Torres. So that one's quite good. And yeah, very nice device. Definitely like the black a lot more than the white. I think the white has fallen to the bottom this year as far as my favorite colors for the 11. It just, I don't know. I'm not a fan of that off kind of pink. I do like it if it wasn't white. Does that make sense? Like it would be higher up the list if this said pink or something and then the expectations were met. But yeah, or champagne. But it just doesn't look white at all like I mentioned in the unboxing video. You can see the blue one there. Blue one still looks really great. I wouldn't personally sport it just because it's not the blue hue that I like. But man, is it a very nice color. And yeah, I did want to show you guys real quick how it looks here when you're talking on the phone and when you're texting. So here, let's go ahead and grab it here. It's like I'm texting right there. You can kind of pretty much see that it's just all black and it just doesn't really attract much attention or anything. If you're on the phone there, you can really barely tell, I think, what phone it is. Then we get a little bit closer so you can see the reflections there. You can see how glossy and how it attracts the fingerprints. So pros and cons there to that color. You can see the sides there. The aluminum looks really, really good. But yeah, aside from that, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. That is the black iPhone 11. Thanks for watching. Make sure to check out all the other videos, and I'll catch you in the next one. Goodbye.